Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the CityTouch app. First, ensure you have downloaded the correct application from your device's app store. Once you've opened the app, you'll see the login screen. Input your unique username and the password you created during registration. Double-check for any typos before proceeding. If you're a new user, you might need to complete a quick registration process first. Remember to keep your login details secure for future access. After carefully entering your username and password, simply tap the Login button. The app may then prompt you for additional security, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. This two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Once verified, you will be granted access to your personalized dashboard, ready to use all the app's features. If you encounter issues, first try the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset your access. Always ensure your device has a strong and stable internet connection, as a weak signal can prevent the app from connecting. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to the CityTouch app's customer support team. They can provide personalized assistance to resolve any technical glitches. To keep your account safe, always use a strong, unique password and never share your login details with anyone. If you're using a public or shared device, remember to log out of the app completely after each session to protect your privacy. Following these simple security practices will help ensure your CityTouch app experience remains secure and smooth. And for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.